Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Pura 7E Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and then, or more precisely from the top right side of your screen, and then once you have your toggles visible, you can swipe down on them as well. This will reveal more of them. And here we're just looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which I believe should be added by default. It looks like it's not. So to add it ourselves, we're going to click right here on this box, edit switches, and there is our Do Not Disturb mode. Once you see it, you can hold it, and then as you can see, the text right here changes to drag here to remove. So we're going to drag it right up here above the line, select done, and now we have access to it in our toggles. Now you can either tap on it right now to enable it with whatever the default settings of it are, or you can hold it in here and this will quickly take you to the settings itself. So I do recommend checking out how it is set by default, and if something doesn't fit your needs, just customizing it. And once you have done so, you can find the toggle, simply tap on it. It brings up notification asking if you want to enable it. Do Not Disturb mode when enabled, calls and notifications will be silenced. Alarms will ring as usual. Now, you don't have to have this pop up every time. If you don't want this, just check the box right here and select enable. And that's it. So right now our Do Not Disturb mode is toggled on. Once we're done with it, you will need to remember to turn it off by default, otherwise it will be running indefinitely. So find the toggle once more, tap on it once again, and this will turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.